With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculation and science-upheld digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain framework world, or so they thought, while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. At present decision the Atom digital currency trades. Cosmos network is flooding ahead with delicate mint center and its remarkable Byzantine adaptation to internal failure having pronounced its venture worth $15 million. Cosmos digital currency can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos network generally helps the development of Atom token, Cosmos digital currency, all the more famously known by its local especially token Atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market performing marvels. Before we start with real Cosmos cost forecast, how about we actually look at definite outline of the coin? Cosmos, the secret decoded. Cosmos is depicted as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights savvy contract usefulness as well as offers a safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any go-betweens involved. Cosmos environment likewise contains Cosmos Center Point, or so they thought. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that truly help commonly secure the Cosmos blockchain. Cosmos network utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine issue open-minded agreement model to approve exchanges. Cosmos is a token on the Cosmos Center Point. Atom tokens generally are utilized for security purposes. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital currency. The whole peculiarity and principal focal point of Cosmos is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint, as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games to give some examples which can be based on the stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and dApps, and ceaseless turns of events and updates, or so they thought. Cosmos, the worldwide benefit. Atom clients will generally send and get installments in their preferred money through shrewd agreements as Atom handles the change through atomic trades between cross-chain crypto resources. More benefits follow. Multifunctional credits of Atom empower commonly expanded utilizations of existing applications including security and well-being of information and exchanges. Atom guarantees openness particularly in numerous layer arrangements assortment of utilization stages presented on Atom making a dreamlike encounter. Intertradability is one more key component of Atom through DEX's instrument of Atom empowers adaptability highlights supporting portable applications and engineer units are incredibly easy to use and in a real sense have their free calculation. A plenty of DEFI applications can be certainly posted on Atom's sidechains in a significant manner. Cosmos, verifiable information in specialized examination. Instability is the sign of any digital currencies, thus explicitly is valid for Cosmos also. In December 2019, Cosmo began its progressive yet certainly consistent exhibition. Despite the fact that it saw a fall in bull run in WAC 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its exceptional exhibition. Cosmos has beaten a record gain according to crypto figures by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.50, finishing strong for exchanging. The help level is $29.93 and opposition level truly is $33.32. Cosmos conjecture, market feeling the more, the merrier thus the more the specialists, the more the suppositions for Cosmos cost expectations, news, in view of our cost expectations in Cosmos cost examination. A drawn-out increment is normal at Cosmos value. The visualization for 2026 is $173.33 in light of the ongoing development. With a 5-year venture, the cost activity income is supposed to be around plus 380.81% in the Cosmos digital currency market. In light of the ongoing cost and our Atom cost expectation information, the Cosmos cost generally has been on an upturn for the very beyond 1 year. Our cost expectations bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. Future Atom cost is anticipated at $73.55 following a year as per our cost figure. Cosmos cost expectations. The ATOM USD will shoot up and especially arrive at a Cosmos value scope of $120.16. In the end possibly scaling even to an incredible $1 trillion market cap because of the ascent popular for DEFI resource in the following 5 years to drop by brokers. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected enormous force. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25. However, from that point onward, it plunged to $17. Then, from last month, Cosmos again denoted a huge meeting and enlisted another untouched high of $32.14. Notwithstanding, as of late, it confronted a sharp downfall in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cosmos cost today weights around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a circling supply of 286,370,297 atoms. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Cosmos Value Expectation 2022. As per Atom expectation, with various organizations and joint efforts in local area financing, the cryptographic money market glances back at Atom to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful, however definitely practical toward 2022 in the transient's end. Cosmos Value Expectation 2023. With any progressions in GOFT arrangements and guidelines, the Atom cost might have its portion of foggy days. In the event that Atom cost holds the help at the 100 SMA solidly, purchasers will then generally have more than adequate chance to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and strength. In the main, around 50% of the cost may be $60, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated extremely high of Atom may be around $75 in a significant manner. Cosmos Value Forecast 2024. Hustling up to peak won't be consequently so hard for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to purchase or basically sell Atom. Beginning with at least $63 in the drawn out, it might cross $90. Cosmos Value Expectation 2025 in a significant manner. A TOM. USD, however, plunged yet in view of expectations and opposition level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for Atom is the critical expansion in the quantity of Atom coins saved into the agreement. In the principle, around 50% of the cost could truly be $81. Cosmos cost is said to give promising indications, arriving at a pinnacle of $105 toward the finish of 2025. Cosmos Value Forecast 2026. Updates will push the versatility of the Cosmos organization to one. Exchanges each second, moving the blockchain business from energy concentrated system in an unobtrusive manner. As per Cosmos cost expectations, in the main portion of the year 2026, the cost could basically reach to $90. The blockchain network is really famous with various activities based on it. Given the progressions explicitly are kept up with, we can see the cost of Atom to reach $120, making it an unequaled high in the following 5 years. Could Cosmos Atom at any point make you rich? Without a doubt, Atom could demonstrate to generally be a truly significant and economical type of revenue. Gave you plan every one of your ventures carefully and decisively. As a digger or normal financial backer of the money, Atom could end up being a reasonable venture guidance in the long haul. There is no tried or demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly, however, putting resources into Atom could demonstrate advantageous. Is Cosmos a contender to Ethereum? No, Cosmos basically embraces Ethereum and makes spans between the two biological systems. Is